I'm doing kind of like an inspiration thing for first week of back to school outfits. I'm homeschooled, so I don't wear any of that to school. I wear my pajamas, but you know, it's whatever. It's fine. But for you public schoolers, I made this video for you because, you know, you gotta look cute for back to school. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. So see you later. Bye.
Chemistry is hard, okay?
I'm not serious. Stop calling me! Shannon!
It involves math. Math is hard.
Fabulous.
Weird. But I like math, so it's okay. I think we Gucci. I'm going to school. It's actually like a really nice day, but the thing is, it's just hot when you're changing into 5 different outfits. Ew.
And running back and forth.
He's an old guy, and he's shirtless. That's so gross. Ma.
Am I
Special thanks to my camera girl, Shannon. She's the real MVP here.
In case you're wondering, all my friends are in the background. There's Shannon up there, there's Lydia, there's Greta hiding, and then there's Lily.
Hiding.
Greta, you made a noise.
You made a noise.
I can't have
Stop
any
breathing. It's making a noise.
Why?
I just have to make direct eye contact with you. That's what I promised.
What I wear on a typical daily basis when I'm doing school. I mean,
I lost my eyebrow brush.
thanks for making noise.
I found my eyebrow brush.
Good.